I don't know about you, but when I revved up the Internet Explorer. God, I sound ancient. When I typed into my search browser Prince Harry's court case, I was met by headlines I was not expecting. This from the LA Times. Prince Harry a no-show on first day of court showdown with British tabloid publisher. Daily Express. Prince Harry absent as court case against newspaper group begins. This is the leading headline, and I looked at it and I was like, okay, this seems weird because this is a case that he's passionate about, he cares about. How could he miss the first day? This is going to shock you. But some of these headlines are not super accurate. I know. Can you believe it? First of all, back to that Daily Express article. You know what they don't mention? They're owned by the same company that is currently going to court with Prince Harry and other claimants. He is not the only one. They mention that other entities owned by MGN include Sunday Mirror and Sunday People. You're kind of missing a couple titles, including your own. And as was stated on Twitter by Alan Rushbridger, just a suggestion to any news organization covering the coming hacking trials involving Prince Harry. If your newspaper is a defendant in any of these actions, please include an editor's note to the effect. It's called a conflict of interest. But of course, that doesn't answer the question, why would he skip the first day? The Telegraph did this timeline of the court case today. At 8:24 a.m., it was said that Harry is due to enter the witness box this week as the trial focuses on his individual case. Every account I could find, from the Telegraph to NPR, brings up the fact that he is anticipated to give evidence on Tuesday. At 10:50 a.m. today, Harry's counsel told the judge that his opening regarding Harry's claim will take around 3 hours. As a result, the Duke of Sussex will attend court tomorrow to give evidence. He told the court that he was attending his daughter, Princess Lilibet's birthday yesterday and flew overnight. And then there is this at 10:53 a.m. The judge appears frustrated that Harry may not be in court today to take the witness stand if opening statements are finished ahead of schedule, before the end of day. I haven't seen video, so I'm not sure if he appeared frustrated. And maybe he was frustrated. Appears does a lot of heavy lifting. The lawyer for MGM said it was extraordinary that Harry was not in court for the opening of his case. He told the judge that court time would be wasted. He also brings up the fact that his cross-examination includes 33 articles. He claims this cannot be done in one day. And this seems like a sensible argument from MGN. Yeah, of course. Poking holes in the validity or the seriousness of this case to Prince Harry, it makes sense from a legal standpoint. So it's entirely plausible that one of the reasons that Prince Harry was not there for the first day was because his lawyers assumed that if the opening statements ran short, then MGM lawyers would try to cross-examine Harry not just today, but all 3 days. Which, let's be honest, if given the opportunity, MGM would probably use 3 days to cross-examine Harry. So overall, I think we're just seeing legal strategies from both sides and a media that wants to have a juicy headline, so that's what they're running with. We'll just have to wait and see what tomorrow brings.